start recording. Hopefully this will go better this time. So I'm just going to show people how to set up UEVR bindings for mouse and keyboards for your Steam VR controllers. And this is only for Index right now because I've only had it set up for Index, but I mean we can fix it so we'll have it for Oculus Quest as well too. But just making this stupid video is taking me forever. Okay, so I'm going to go to here. This is where you get the software, OpenVR2Key. Super simple. You just download the Git. You just download the file, the zip file, put on your desktop, and then extract it to your desktop folder. And the reason you do that is once you go into Steam, you go all the way to the bottom here, add a game. You can see it's already here, but you want to add a game, add activate a product on Steam. Shoot, not this, sorry. Add a game, add a non-Steam game, right? And then you just want to browse to the actual game here, and I have it here open. And just grab the exe file from the folder, right? So what you're going to open the folder, you're going to grab that exe file, and then it's going to show up here. The reason I'm telling you that is then you'll have it here, and you can actually start it with Steam if you're going to be using it a lot. But you don't have to. You can just run it from that folder. So once you do that, another important thing that you want to do is I'm going to show you in the game itself where you want to make sure the game has the options for you, right? So hopefully you'll see this in the recording because I don't know what. Recording wasn't working well last time, but it should be the Steam VR view, but you should go to options, right? Controls. You have all the controls here, right? That's the nice thing. You just click on any of these and I'll give you. So what I did is I put the num period, so that's just the period I put for fire. I also put aim down sights as not toggle, just aim down sights as an I button. Cycle next weapon, I changed it to the previous weapon or next weapon. I think I changed it to middle mouse button or something or whatever. Cycle weapons, I think. Cycle weapons, slot, sights. Oh yeah, sorry, next weapon and previous weapon. Oh yeah, empty, previous weapon here. I can change this to something else, but anyway. You have all of these that you can bind. The main thing is you don't want to make sure, like I think I put display menu here. You need this for the deploy menu. So you don't want that to be taking over a slot here, but for previous weapon and next weapon, I think we'll change this from middle mouse button. Oh, that's what it was. So middle mouse button. We'll change this to K. Apply. Okay. So now we're going to go to the software itself. I'll get rid of this. So we're going to go to the software itself. Just make sure that we're recording this. Okay, perfect. So we're going to go to the actual software. Let's see if we can open it through Steam. Just to show you, I haven't even done it through Steam here. So let's see what it looks like when you open it through Steam. Perfect. So here's what we have here, right? So once you actually have this game running, it should show up here. Oh, this is, oh, sorry, I gotta close this one and open this one. Oh, no, sorry, darn it. Such a dummy. Open it here. Great. Connected current ID is default. I don't know why it's default. But yeah, so we wanted to go down to change this to a K, right? So K would be, now if you want to see how to do that, this is the important part. So we want to go to the bindings here, and we want to show binding UI, and we want to go to more applications here, very important. Scroll all the way down, and we want to go OpenVR2Key, right? And we want to edit this. Now I shared this already, so it's out there. The reason you want to edit it, you don't really edit it, but I just want to see what this button is listed as. And I'm pretty sure it's A button is key right 14, and this is key right 13. So that's the one I want to use to change the old, yeah, this is key left 14 and key left 13. So let's go to the app and see what we have here. So key left 14 and is left control, so that's crouch. And that is weapon select, so L13. So we want to go to R13 and R14, which is right there. Right? Shoot, sorry, this pain. And R13 is left shift. Reload is that one. And then left shift is sprint. Oh man, we have all these bound now, right? So we wanted to do the cycle weapon. So what do we want to add to cycle weapon? You want to do trackpad? Yeah, trackpad makes sense, right? So we're going to go, it's better that you see this live anyway. And see what trackpad is. Trackpad. Key left 3. Perfect. So we'll do key left 3 for K. Right? That K button. Save. Boom. It's done. Right? So now this is all good. Now when you go to your game here, what's going to happen is when you eject, right? That's going to be your next step. Actually, I'm going to change this now. So it's not full screen because that's causing me all kinds of problems. It's perfect. My life must be much easier. Right, so then when you do inject it, it's going to, I don't want to inject it now because it's recording to get too long, but let me pause this. So.